TY-400C Selective Soldering Wave Solder Machine Universal Fixture Suit for PCBA and Pallet. PCB size 400 by 320 mm, adapt to a variety of specifications, can be customized according to customer requirements. High precision control. Japan's imports of fog spray method, optional German imports of point-blank spray method. Mode variety, distribution uniformity, and precision. The equipment adopts nitrogen gas to the welding spot. Local heating. The equipment, tin furnace 13 kg soldering furnace, has self-developed mechanical pump furnace and imported electromagnetic pump inhalation, can choose to ensure the stability of the wave. Motion control system is highly accurate and stable. The use of high precision servo motors to achieve accurate positioning of the X, Y, Z axis. Electrical control system parts are all imported. Omron, Schneider, and other well-known brands to ensure system safety and stability. Software completely independent research and development. Selective wave soldering special software. Anti-dull operation of professional software. Intuitive interface. Convenient parameter setting. A variety of programming modes. Can be stored in a number of groups of programs. Real-time monitoring. Apply to new energy, aviation, military, energy storage, security, LED, and other industries widely used. If you need anything, feel free to contact us.